How to unblock someone on Roblox Mobile. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily unblock someone on Roblox Mobile. So either on your iPhone or your Android phone. So if you block someone and you no longer want them blocked, in this tutorial I'll show you to easily unblock them. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Roblox app on our iPhone or Android phone, and then select the three little dots with the circle around it in the bottom right of the menu. Once the menu opens up, scroll down and go down and select Settings. And then once in the settings, all we need to do is select Privacy. Once Privacy opens, all we need to do is scroll all the way down. And at the bottom, you'll see Blocked Users. Go ahead and select Show. Find the user you want to unblock, and then just select Unblock next to their name. Once you do that, it'll unblock the person, and then you can see them on Roblox. All right, so that's how you unblock people on Roblox Mobile. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.